When you eat celery every day for a week, your body will get these 14 health benefits. Celery is by far one of the most nutritious vegetables available. It is a great source of potassium, magnesium, and vitamins A, B, C, and K. It is also rich in phytonutrients, which act as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agents, boosting the immune system and overall health. According to Gillian Levy, CHHC, fresh celery benefits nutrition thanks to all the tremendous vitamins and minerals it contains. 1 cup of chopped raw celery, about 101 grams, contains approximately 16.2 calories, 3.5 grams carbohydrates, 0.7 gram protein, 0.2 gram fat, 1.6 grams fiber, 29.6 micrograms vitamin K, 37% DV, 453 international units, 9% DV, 36.5 micrograms folate, 9% DV, 263 milligrams potassium, 8% DV, 3.1 milligrams vitamin C, 5% DV, 0.1 milligram manganese, 5% DV, 0.1 milligram vitamin B6, 4% DV, 40.4 milligrams calcium, 4% DV, 0.1 milligram riboflavin, 3% DV, 11.1 milligrams magnesium, 3% DV, all with some sugars. Celery also contains some vitamin E, niacin, pantothenic acid, iron, phosphorus, zinc, and selenium. Researchers have confirmed the numerous health benefits of celery. Celery can help prevent chronic inflammation. It helps regulate the pH balance of the body. It assists in weight loss since it is low in calories but high in fiber. Celery helps digestion and treats stomach issues and constipation. It can help treat urinary tract infections as it has potent diuretic properties. It soothes the nervous system and may help you fall asleep. Celery has been found to regulate cholesterol and blood pressure. Since it contains phthalate, it is low in acids and relieves heartburn and acid reflux. Celery is abundant in vitamin A, so it improves vision, treats dry eyes, and protects the cornea. It can clean your teeth like a natural dental floss since it is breaking into fibrous strands while chewing. You can appreciate the countless benefits of celery in many ways. It goes great in soups, stir-fries, stews, and salads. It can also be dipped in peanut butter, hummus, or other sauces.